April is National Card and Letter Month, so I thought it was the best time to officially launch my Snail Mail Club. It's called Let's Mail Flowers. It's going to be a flower themed mail that I'll be sending you guys. And I'm so excited for this because actually I used to do cards as one of my first hobbies that I got into. I used to do scrapbooking, card making, and so I did do a lot of other things, ventured into wedding accessories and then paper flowers. And I kind of wanted to come back around to doing cards in a different way, which I thought was perfect to do through a snail mail club. So I'm working on my first batch today, and then I'll be doing it once a month, sending it out to the people that join. So make sure to join my snail mail club. I'll have all the information linked below the video. It'll come with a photo print that I took the photo of. I usually like going to the local garden and take lots of photos, so usually I'll choose one that kind of I fall in love with, and this one is so good, so I'm really excited for this month's photo print. I will also include a card where it has like a sketch of a flower that I recently made, or kind of going with the theme of the photo print, making it into a sketch so that you guys could watercolor it or use color pencils and color it in. And you can turn that into a card or just as like a postcard. And I also include some waterproof stickers along with something that is like a little mini paper flower, like a card. It could be a bookmark or just displayed. So I will have all sorts of just little variety of flower themed surprises in the mail, whatever fits in an envelope. I'm gonna go back to working on this month's mail. Make sure to check it out. I'll link it for you guys below the video. I'm heading out to San Diego today. I'm visiting the San Diego Natural History Museum. About a year ago, I worked on a project with them, basically recreating a bunch of California native plants, flowers, little succulents, cactus, leaves. So I basically recreated them out of cardstock paper for a wall installation in their lobby. Basically, they have this wall where they want to honor each donor that helps support the museum with each flower that I made for them. And I thought that concept was so amazing, and ever since then I've been checking out other like museums, galleries, libraries, and I check out like their wall where it usually says who donated to their programs or their buildings. And every time I look at them, it's usually in a corner that you'll totally miss. You probably never even look at it and never really designed. So I thought this concept was so cool, and what an amazing way to, you know, honor people that has supported them. So I'm taking my camera with me. I'm going to be taking a bunch of photos, a little mini photo shoot, probably take some video, and I'll be taking you guys with me. Thank you, Blick, for sending me all this. I am excited to try everything out. I love using alcohol markers, so this one's going to be a really good one, and the colors are so good, so I'll be using this definitely a lot. I have been slowly growing my pan pastel collection. I never really used pan pastel before just because I didn't really like that it gets like dusty and it gets all over my hands, but I definitely love them for like ombre, like a gradient look. So I am growing my pan pastel collection, so thank you so much for sending me these. I love the colors that it came with. I will link these for you guys below the video, and I'm also trying out their paper. They have really big paper, so I love that. This is a 12 by 18. I'm thinking these would be perfect for like giant cactuses. I've made giant paper cactuses before with really big paper. This is a pretty good color too, so I'll probably make some of those giant cactuses. A 76-pound weight. It's pretty good cardstock. It's heavy enough, and these are going to be perfect for basically all my giant flowers. I don't use the black too often, but it does come with an assortment of different colors that I'll try out. They also sent me just regular like letter size paper, or paper that's like smaller, so I could use that with the machines as well. So yeah, so I'll be linking everything for you guys below the video, and you guys could check it out.